How does the cold climate affect mining in Nunavut? Have you ever wondered how the icy grip of the Arctic influences mining in Nunavut? The cold climate here is not just a backdrop. It plays a vital role in shaping every aspect of mining operations. Let's break down the effects of this extreme environment on resource extraction in the region. First off, the presence of permafrost, which is permanently frozen ground, creates unique challenges for mining infrastructure. Roads, airstrips, docks, and waste management facilities must be engineered to endure the effects of thawing permafrost. When the ground begins to warm, it can destabilize foundations, leading to higher maintenance costs and safety risks. This makes planning and building mining facilities in Nunavut more complex and expensive compared to areas with milder climates. Next, let's talk about transportation. The cold climate limits the time frame for using ice roads, which are temporary routes built over frozen lakes and tundra. These ice roads are essential for delivering heavy equipment, fuel, and supplies to remote mining sites. However, warmer winters have shortened the time these roads are usable, causing delays and increasing logistical challenges. Constructing permanent roads is also costly, with estimates reaching millions of dollars per kilometer, making access to mining locations even more difficult. Extreme weather conditions add another layer of complexity. Intense storms and long periods of darkness during winter can hinder mining operations. The harsh environment limits the working season and can lead to delays in exploration and extraction activities. Moreover, the cold climate requires specialized equipment and protective measures for workers, which raises operational costs. Climate change is also altering the Arctic landscape, affecting mining in various ways. Rising temperatures can lead to sea level rise and changing ice conditions, impacting marine transportation routes used for shipping ore. Mining companies must adapt to these environmental changes to ensure their operations remain viable. Economically, mining is a growing sector in Nunavut, providing jobs and educational opportunities for local communities. However, the high costs of operating in such a remote and cold environment mean that mining projects must carefully consider the risks associated with climate impacts and infrastructure challenges. The cycle of limited investment in mining due to infrastructure issues continues, as better infrastructure is needed to attract more mining investment. In summary, the cold climate in Nunavut significantly affects mining through challenges related to permafrost, transportation, extreme weather, and climate change. These factors lead to increased costs and logistical complications, requiring careful planning to maintain mining operations in this polar region. Despite these challenges, mining remains a key economic activity with potential for growth if infrastructure and environmental risks are managed effectively.